Hello and welcome back to Learn with ABmom. Today we are going to talk about the possessive pronoun. We use possessive pronoun to show that something belongs to me or someone else. Don't get confused. Let us have a look. First, we have learned about subjective pronouns. Here they are. And in another video, we learned about possessive adjective. And today we are going to learn about the possessive pronoun. Now look here, possessive adjective and possessive pronoun are the same. They show possession, which means I own something. Something belongs to me or to someone else. But they are used little bit differently. In the possessive adjective, we have to put a noun after. For example, my dog, my car. But in possessive pronoun, we don't have to put noun after it. You just can say it's mine. So my becomes mine. Let us have a look. His becomes his, same. And her becomes hers. It's also it's the same, it becomes its. Your, it becomes yours. Our becomes ours. Their becomes theirs. You must have noticed that we added s at the end of these pronouns. I know you might be still confused, but let us have more example. This is my car. But with possessive pronouns, you don't have to put a noun after. So you say, this is mine. This isn't yours. You must have observed that when I said mine, so I did not use the noun car. I said it's mine. But if I'm going to use the noun, I will say it's my car. I will not say it's mine car. So that is wrong. If you want to say it's mine, so you will not use car. You will not use the noun. One more example. This boy has a hat. So we say this is his. This isn't mine. This isn't yours. This is his. The girl has a dress. This is hers. It's not mine. It's not yours. This is hers. But here when you use its, we have to put a noun after. If you say this is its, then it's wrong. We have to put a noun after the pronoun. This is its ball. Isn't mine, isn't yours. This is its ball. Look here. These people have a house. So we say this is theirs. This isn't mine. This isn't yours. This is theirs. Now we are going to use the plural be verb. These are theirs. These aren't mine. These aren't yours. These are theirs. I was talking about the books on the table. Now this is India. So what we have to say, this is ours. This is ours because it's our country. So I'm not using the noun here. So I have just simply said this is ours. So let us have more example to make it perfect. We have to put some possessive pronoun here. First one, the lipstick is, of course, lipstick belongs to a girl or a woman and it's a singular. So we are going to use the possessive pronoun hers. The lipstick is hers. The second one, that sport car is, usually a man will drive a sport car. So what we have to say, we can say the sport car is his. Let us have a look. This money is mine. Not yours means I have some money and this money is mine, not yours. See, I have not used any noun after mine or yours. Now, last one, India is ours, not theirs. When we come in a question form, when we ask whose pen is this, we can use this possessive pronoun. It's mine. It's yours. It's hers. It's his. It's ours. It's theirs. So I didn't repeat the noun again in my sentence. I hope this lesson was easy for you. Thanks for watching. And if you like it, share it. Love and peace to all.